Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students and viewers. Today, as you know that we are discussing about the value education, and we have discussed the concept and meaning of value and the concept and meaning of value education. Now today we are going to discuss about the need and importance of value education. Now dear students, as you know that it is only the value education which help us to develop qualities like truthfulness, honesty, dedication, brotherhood, sympathy, love. These qualities can be developed among the students with the help of value education. So, value education plays an important role in providing better and fruitful qualities among the students. It helps us in the moral development. It helps in the resolving conflicts, cooperative living. It helps in the cultural development. It helps in the development of wider attitude. It helps us to develop the democratic qualities among the students. It helps us in the decoration of soul among the students. So dear students, how moral development is possible by the value education? Value education is considered as the foundation of character and moral development. जो वैल्यू एजुकेशन है, वैल्यू एजुकेशन को एक बुनियादी सितून माना गया है जिसकी वजह से कैरेक्टर और मॉरल डेवलपमेंट होती है. इट इज एबल टू इनकलकेट इन चिल्ड्रंस, यानी कि जो वैल्यू एजुकेशन है यही बच्चों के अंदर बहुत सारी क्वालिटीज जो है डेवलप करती है, लाइक ह्यूमैनिटी है, ट्रूथफुलनेस है, टॉलरेंस है, ऑनेस्टी है, सिंपैथी है, स्पिरिट ऑफ सर्विस है. तो ऑल दीज क्वालिटी एंड सैक्रिफाइस विच फॉर्म a noble character of child and develops his personality. Dear students, so we can say that value education is more important than any other education. Number two, it helps in resolving the conflicts. In this materialistic age, there are many social and ethical conflicts. Now, value education as an instrument works in resolving these conflicts. Number three, cooperative living. Value education makes us to live with work and cooperatively. जो वैल्यू एजुकेशन है यही तो हमें अमन और भाईचारे के साथ रहने और एक दूसरे के साथ अमन और भाईचारे के साथ जिंदगी गुजारने की हिदायत देती है. तो कल्चरल डेवलपमेंट इज नेक्स्ट. वैल्यू एजुकेशन प्लेज एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ कल्चरल एस्पेक्ट. सो वैल्यू एजुकेशन एक ऐसी चीज है जो हमें अपने आबाओ अजदाद के जो कल्चर हैं उसको फॉलो करने पर मजबूर करती है. तो वैल्यू एजुकेशन ही वो चीज़ है जो हमारे दिमाग में अपने पुराने बुजुर्गों का कहना मानने पर मजबूर करती है. तो डेवलपमेंट ऑफ वाइडर एटीट्यूड. वैल्यू एजुकेशन मेक्स ए पीपल डायनेमिक एंड enlightened. This develops in him a wider attitude towards life. Now, it is clear that our mind gets developed with the help of moral education, value education. It is value education which teaches us what is right and what is wrong and what path we should have to follow. Dear students, now development of democratic qualities. Value education helps people in developing democratic qualities. And what are these qualities? These qualities are liberty, equality, fraternity, justice, and cooperative living. So, democratic qualities can be developed through the value education. Now, decoration of soul, the most important at the last one, that is decoration of soul. Our soul is a part of ultimate truth. जो हमारी रूह है वही हमारी असली हकीकत है, दैट इज गॉड. हमें यकीन है कि अल्लाह है. सो इट इज आवर ड्यूटी टू कीप इट प्योर एंड परफेक्ट. तो ये हमारा फर्ज बनता है कि हम अपने सोल को साफ रखें. एंड दिस कैन बी डन ओनली थ्रू वैल्यू एजुकेशन. जब वैल्यू एजुकेशन हो तभी हमारा ज़मीर जिंदा रह सकता है, वरना यहाँ हर तरफ तबाही तबाही है. सो वैल्यू एजुकेशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ all aspects of personality of the child. So we should force on value education with the help of moral education. Along with this, when we provide value education to our students, they can identify their ways, they can utilize their emotions well, they can try to understand their ultimate reality, and they can follow the right path. Thank you very much.